This video will show you how to correctly insert an image into your article. The first thing we need to do is insert an image into the intro text section of the article, and this will be used by the system to create a thumbnail for the preview page. So click at the very beginning of the article and then use the insert image button, which is on the bottom row of the toolbar. Clicking that will open up a dialog box where you can select an image that may already be on the server, or you can upload a new image to insert. In this case I'm going to upload a new album cover image, so I'll go to the album covers folder, which is on the left here, and then I use the upload button, which is on the right hand side, which opens up a second dialog box. At the very top, the button add will allow me to browse for the image that I'm going to upload. Before I do press OK here, I can just check the dimensions of this image. 704 by 720 pixels, which is larger than the maximum sizes we allow on the site, so I leave the resize option checked, and that will just ensure the image is scaled down. And actually in this case, because it's an album cover image, we don't actually need it that big in the article, so I'm just going to reduce the maximum width of the image down to 300, which is an appropriate size for an album cover image. Once I've got the image in the queue, I can add more images if I want to upload multiple images at the same time, but in this case I'm just going to press upload to send that one image. When the green tick appears, it means it's uploaded, so I can cancel this and close that dialog box. The image will then appear in the list in the middle here. Double click on the image and that will populate the fields at the top with all the details the system needs to insert the image. For the intro text image, you don't need to edit any of these details up the top, just simply press insert. And then just press enter once just to leave a space between the image and the text. We're now going to enter the same image in the main body of the text, so I'll click at the very start of the article there, press the same upload button, the same insert button. I don't need to upload the image this time, it's already on the server. So with the album covers folder selected, I can just type the name of the file here and it will search for it. Double click it again. This time we're going to align the image to the right, so I just change the alignment field to right. And you get a preview on the right hand side here of how that image will look. And we don't want the text to flow right up to the edge of the image like that, so we're going to put a 15 pixel margin on the left, and then just to stop the text coming up too close at the bottom, we can put 5 pixels on the bottom. So 5 pixel margin on the bottom and 15 pixel margin on the left. Press insert and you can see the images there with the text flowing around it. Because this is an album review, we're also going to insert the score for the album below the article. Just press enter at the end of the line there. The same insert image button. This time the images are already uploaded in the sheep scores folder. This album's got 4 out of 5, so I just choose the 4 sheep image. Double click again. I don't need to worry about these fields this time. I'm going to let the image just sit on the left hand side as it naturally would, so press insert and the image will be added to the bottom of the article. One additional point to make about uploading images: if you know the size of the image you're uploading is smaller than these maximum constraints here, then you can deselect the resize option and the image will just be uploaded as it is. If you was to leave this selected, the small image would be resized up to these dimensions, which could reduce the quality of the image. So if you know the image is small, turn off resize, but if you're in doubt or you know the image is large, leave resize on, just so that the image isn't uploaded too big for the site.